In today's video, we are going to set up MetaPixel with Shopify. This is an internal SOP that I use with my team, but I wanted to share this on the YouTube account as well because I got many questions about this. So for this, you are going to need access to your Shopify admin panel, and then also you are going to need a Facebook account with a setup business suite. So in an earlier video, we already set up the business suite. The first step is going to be installing the MetaPixel helper extension. This is something you can install in your Chrome, and then you can pin it to your extensions. And what it does is if you go to a website, for example, Sephora, it's going to track all your data. So it's going to track the visitors data, the page view, the add to carts, the checkouts. So you can later exclude those audiences or retarget those audiences. So you see, I'm currently tracking page views on the website. And let me test. Let's select one product, add to cart, and then you see the add to cart event fired, as well as page view and view content. And then if we go to checkout, the checkout event is also going to fire. So let me see. Let's click checkout. So this is an easy way to make sure your client has the tracking going correctly. You can use this extension on Ecommerce and lead generation website as well. Now that we have the extension, the first step is going to be installing Facebook and Instagram by Meta. So we are going to do this on Shopify. Let's go to the admin section. Let's search for apps, Facebook and Instagram, and then just go to install. And next we are going to set up the Facebook pixel. So let's continue installing the Facebook and Instagram app. Let's just continue the setup, hit OK, and then connect a Facebook account. So let's hit connect account. Let's log into your personal Facebook account and then get access to Shopify. And then let's go to your business portfolio. Inside your business portfolio, let's look for data sources and then data sets. So here you either need to find an existing pixel that you currently use for advertising, or if you don't have an existing pixel, go to the top right, click add. Let's name your new pixel and then create it. And then it's also going to pop up on the list on the left side. Once you have a pixel already, just select it and assign yourself to the pixel. So make sure you have admin access and then use the assign people button to give yourself access. Let's select yourself and then give full control. We also need to make sure the ad account is connected. So let's hit connect assets, select other business assets, and then we are going to look for the ad account that we are currently advertising on. This is especially important with new ad accounts. So let's search for your ad account, click add the ad button, and now it's going to be connected. Next, let's search for the three dots and open it inside Events Manager, and then go back to Shopify and get started with the setup because now we have an existing pixel. We only need ads at this point, so let's get started. Go to the drop down and select your personal Facebook account. Next, we need to select a business portfolio that owns the ad account. And then we are going to share the data and we are going to use a preference. I usually recommend to use the maximum to collect as many info as possible. Next, let's continue and just hit save. And now we need to connect the dataset that we created earlier. So here you have a long list of all the pixels that you own, or you can also create a new metapixel. But if you created it earlier, you just need to select it from the list and then hit connect. And then your Shopify store has a Facebook pixel connected. It was easy and quick. And once you have the pixel selected, we just need to submit for review and you are ready. Your pixel should be tracking. As an important last step, make sure your pixel is actually tracking. Go to your website, use the extension, and make sure all the events are firing correctly.